Okay, how was that? I loved the Jimmy Fallon show. I don't watch it every night, but going forward, I'll share some of these funny clips with you. Especially those are those my favorite ones. I'll start out the lessons with those. Okay, so let's continue to discuss sets. And again, on your in your packet, write down the vocabulary for a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. I want to point out again the word well-defined. Um, each object in the set is called an element or a member of the set. And there are, in this chapter, we're going to learn three different ways to designate a set. And the first one you're going to see is called a roster method. And that's the method in which elements are listed between braces. So it looks like this. And then the elements are separated by commas between the elements. Sometimes you will also see after the elements there are three dots. That means the numbers keep going, so it will be 4, 5, 6, and it will not end. The orders of these elements are not that important because within the bracket it just means that there are these elements. And if you feel it's necessary, you can even repeat some of the elements. You can write 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Again, the set just means there are these elements. The orders don't matter, the repetitions don't matter. And we name the set by a capital letter, by any capital letters. So we can say set A equals this 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that's the definition of set. And on the right hand side, I should have pointed out that our learning objectives are all here. So let's look at next slide. Here's an example. Listing the elements in a set. Write the set of the month of the year that begins with the letter M. And if we think about the months that begin with the letter M, we know that there's March and there's May, March and May. So the answer can be written like this. M equals bracket or braces, I guess, March, comma, May. And that way you know in that set there are only 2 months, and these 2 months start with M. Here's an example. Try this one. Write the set of the Great Lakes. In here, I gave you 2 maps. I found these 2 maps on Google. Google Lord is my best friend these days. And I particularly love these 2 maps because this one on top gives me a generic map, but it's very clearly laid out the shape of the lakes and the number of lakes and all the surrounding small lakes around it and the states around, between Ontario, that's Canada, and Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania. And it's quite a review course of geometry to see all the states around the Great Lakes. And this map here at the bottom is a satellite picture of the Great Lakes, and the 5 big ones are listed here. So in our example, we can say Great Lakes for this set. It will be Lake Superior, comma, Lake Ontario, comma, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. And that's our set. And this set has 5 elements or 5 members in them. Another example. Use the roster method to do the following. A, read the set of natural numbers less than 6. First, we got to understand what's the definition of natural numbers. If you think about the real number system, you all went through this. The last time you went through it probably was in Algebra 2. We start counting, as little babies, we start counting by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't start with 0. It just comes natural to us. So because of that, we call those numbers natural numbers. Again, natural numbers do not include 0. So that's why the solution here starts with 1, 2, 3, and then it ends by 5 because less than is not less or equal than, so 6 is not included in that set. Second question is to write a set of natural numbers greater than 4. Now, again, greater than is not greater or equal to, so 4 is not included. Therefore, in this set, it starts with a 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice that they put the 3 dots in the back to indicate that it will keep on going and going. It will keep on going on and on and on. So it'll be 9, 10, 11, and infinite number of numbers after 8. So take a minute to read the math note quickly. It says that you can list an element of a set more than once if it means a lot to you, but it's common to choose not to list repeats. For example, the set of letters in the word letters is written as LETRS rather than LETTERS. Okay? Let's try this. Write each set using the roster method. A, the set of even natural numbers. From 80 to 90. So it says from 80, so it goes from 80, and it's even, so, and it's natural, so 82, 84, 86, 88, and 90. That's the set of even, these are all natural numbers, and it's from 80 to 90, and 80 and 90 are included in there. Second one, the set of odd natural numbers greater than 10. So greater than 10 will be 11, and then it will be 13, be 15, after that is 17. It goes on and on and on and on. I did not do this pretty. On and on and on and on. So that's what these 3 dots, it should be 3 dots there in the back. Okay, so look into your packet, make sure that you have filled in all the blanks and understand how to define sets and understand how to write sets and finish the, I think it was 6 computational exercises that I assigned in your packet. If you need extra paper, please feel free to grab one. I'll see you in class, guys. Bye-bye.